Solar-powered ultrasonic mole repellent stakes can reduce mole and vole activity when installed correctly and used as part of a broader strategy. Place stakes according to the manufacturer instructions, usually spaced evenly across the affected area and pushed firmly into the ground so the vibration couples with the soil. Choose sites along active runways and near molehills, not just the perimeter, and rotate placement every 2 to 4 weeks to prevent animals from avoiding a single static source. Since many units rely on solar charging and small rechargeable batteries, inspect panels for dirt or shading and replace batteries or units seasonally to maintain consistent output. Pair the vibrating stakes with habitat modification by reducing dense ground cover and surface mulch where voles hide and by aerating compacted soil to disrupt preferred tunneling conditions. Combine with grub monitoring and, if grub levels are high, address that food source using biological or cultural controls appropriate for your lawn, because reducing food reduces the incentive for moles to remain. Keep a simple monitoring log of tunnel activity weekly and photograph or mark active runs so you can measure whether activity declines over a month rather than judging performance by short-term changes. Homeowners commonly place units too far apart, which weakens the vibration field. Follow spacing guidance from the label and concentrate units where tunnels are active to create overlapping coverage. Another frequent issue is assuming the stakes are a standalone fix. Use them with habitat reduction and grub control so the environment becomes less attractive. People also forget maintenance of solar panels and batteries, so units gradually fail. Clean panels monthly, verify each unit is operating after cloudy periods, and plan to replace batteries or whole units on a seasonal schedule to keep output consistent. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors who work on pest control, lawn care, and related yard projects, and to share do-it-yourself experiences. Our discussion community connects neighbors and professionals so we can learn what works locally for solar mole repellent installations and complementary grub and habitat strategies.